talk to the camera like so awkward. Seriously. But yeah.
To say they're irresistible, although it's forward to mention romance. If I don't speak 'em now, I haven't got a chance. If I said it all and put my heart on my sleeve, tell me, could you care for me?
So I don't know where to start my vlog, but basically I'm gonna talk about my daily life like a normal human being, like normal tenaga kerja Indonesia in Malaysia. So yeah, it's nothing special. I just want to see myself, like how is it? Am I have talent to talk to the camera, since like I'm very shy person. And yeah, so my life is just like very normal, and I am working for Malaysia Asia. Maybe some of you guys like saw me before on board, and maybe some of you guys, yeah, I'm working for AK. So basically, what's different between AK and D7? AK is for Malaysia Asia, D7 is for Malaysia Asia X. So I just have a shower, and now I'm just gonna dress myself and see you in 1 second. Sorry for that, I'm so thirsty. So today's my plan today, I'll be work out just straight away after this, and after that I'm just gonna visit Zizi's house and maybe just lazing around there because he wants to talk with me or something, I don't know. And after that maybe it will be until dinner. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, this is very important. So basically working in the Malaysia, it's quite boring because you have no family here. You have no family here, you have no life. Let's go to the gym. I forgot rubbish.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, I just come back from the gym, and I need to get a shower to clean up myself, and then after that I'm just gonna go to the Zizi's house to do something in her house. Let's see how. I just have a shower and now I'm gonna go to Zizi's house. Let's go. Currently I'm walking to Zizi's house. Her house is there, and I brought some food for her. Oh my god, it's quite far, but I don't know why. It's super hot also. Damn, you're awesome. I kind of miss all this international food, like the Indonesian word.
Panas. Gagak you know. Say hi to vlog. Hi, Twinkle. Finally, I can't find how to. Đó có đấy ạ, finger, gì, whatever. Panas, capek, mau minum air dingin dong. Oh my god. Itu masak. Itu air. Này cũng rồi, tôi
2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later. A few inches later. Day 2, day 3, day 4. A few moments later. 1 eternity later. 3 days later. 12 seconds later. 3:28 a.m.
Hello guys, sorry I fell asleep. I slept for like 30 minutes maybe, and I forgot to wash my face. But for me, this mask is very worth. It's worth. You guys have to try it because it's moisty. It makes your skin very fresh. It's really good. And then she said I need to use, what is this? Apa nih? Water. Manfaat air kangen band kali ah. Biar apa sih? Oh. Bisa diminum nggak airnya?
Bisa?
Biar?
Enggak lah, jangan gitu.
Yeah, I just get home and I have a shower. We had such a good dinner just now with her, and I think like I'm fully charged for working tomorrow. I think like for everyone, we need some time for ourselves to give some very good treatment for like maybe your skin or your own body in order for you to get ready for your next day. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this video. Thank you for checking my video, and hope you guys be healthy always and keep God bless, and we'll see you in my next video, next second vlog. Bye bye.